Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix your remote not working on ZTE Android TV Box. There are a few things that should be done. First of all, make sure that the batteries are charged, so make sure that the batteries are in and make sure that they are charged. If not, then get a new ones, or if they are rechargeable, just charge them. And if it still doesn't work, or if it works, or if only a few buttons work, like for example the power button, you can see it works. Also the back button, the Google Assistant may be working, but all the other buttons most probably won't work, then this means that for some reason accidentally you might have enabled Device AIDL service, which in order to disable it you'll need to use a computer mouse. You can see I have a computer mouse right here, and I have it plugged into the USB port on the side of the ZTE. Now you can simply go to Settings, then go to Device Preferences. Now go to Accessibility and find Device Info AIDL service. Disable it if it's enabled and click on OK. If it's disabled, don't enable it. Now let's see if it works. You can see in my case it works, but if it still doesn't work, you can either use the mouse to use your TV. That's quite weird, but you can use that, or use the Google Home app. In Google Home app, you can get the Google Home app. If you don't have it, you can go to Devices, find Local Devices, and you'll find your Android TV. You can click on Remote and use it as a remote now. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.